Good morning, friends. Miss Sarah is here to do our morning meeting today. We are going to start with our good morning song. Primero en español. Dos manos. Buenos días, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Muy bien. Ahora en inglés. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? I'm glad you guys joined me for singing our good morning songs today. Now we are going to do our calendar or calendario. Ayer fue domingo. Hoy es lunes. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. If we look at our numbers on the calendar, we're almost getting to the end. We only have one more day in March, and then we're going to start a whole nother month. Yesterday, we had the number 29, 29. Primero dos, después nueve. First, we have the number 2, and then we have the number 9, and together they make the number 29. Today, we have the number 30, 30. First, it's the number 3, then the number 0, and together they make the number 30. Primero número es 3, después número es 0, juntos 30. Okay, friends. Today is Monday, March 2020. Hoy es lunes, marzo de 2020. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Ding dong, ding, ding dong, ding. Ahora en español. Hoy es lunes. Hoy es lunes. Todo el día. Todo el día. Ayer fue domingo. Mañana va a ser martes. Ding dong dan. Ding dong dan. Okay, one more thing before we go out for morning meeting. We're going to count our calendar one time in English and another time in Spanish. Are we ready, my friends? Get your counting hats on. Mr. is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ahora en español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, friends, that's it for morning meeting. I'll see you guys later for math and literacy.